Alright, welcome to this episode of I've got my first track day coming up, and I don't know what the heck I'm doing. Something that's freaking me out, probably just as much as the track day itself, is how am I going to get this SV650 in and out of my truck. I've watched a lot of videos on how to do this, and it looks like you just need to commit to getting the damn thing up. I've been practicing with another motorcycle, and I bought some things to hopefully make this easier, and today I'm going to try to do the first load of this SV650 into the truck by myself. This is the true spirit of this channel. Matt tries to do things, because this may not work out really well. So, I'll show you what I've got set up, and we'll give it a try.
We got here, the truck I have is a Ford F150 XLT, four-wheel drive. It's a tall truck, so actually the first thing I did is I took the lowering, or the raising blocks off from underneath the leaf springs on the truck. These are 1 1/4 inch, but it dropped the tailgate down 1.75 inches. That's gonna make it a lot easier. You can tell it's a lot lower when I got it on here. I actually just bought myself a third Pit Posse ramp. This is probably looking overkill, but I'm telling you, I don't think it is. Plus I think it's $80 insurance for me. So I mean, I got $240 worth of ramps, and I bought the extra one, not for getting the bike up, but actually backing the bike down. With this TW, I found I kind of trail off, and I almost dumped it. So I figure $80 insurance just to grab one more of them. I can get rid of it if it turns out I don't need it. There's always use for ramps. So I've got all three ramps independently secured back down to the toe, and this one especially I've actually got set up on a different spot there so that it pulls it straight instead of pulling it in. I like having this ramp out further to the side so I can walk the bike up. One thing I have noticed is that if you go right up the center, it'll slip. So I'm kind of aiming for this one the whole way to go up, but this is for insurance on my way back down. So I think the SV weighs, I don't know, like 400 pounds. This thing weighs probably like 320. So I was going to do some more practice with the TW, getting it up there. I've noticed I'm not able to really start at the bottom, no speed, and then clutch it up. I'd like, what's worked for me on this so far has to come with a little speed and then get it up. Ooh boy. All right. So we got up. I did this for a couple days, and I never had the balls to do it. And so I just stop and then give up. Now I got to get back down. So I got it in neutral. Basically just going to be using the brake. Got this huge tire. So I'm kind of aiming for the middle ramp there, but I know I'm going to trail over to that other one. Got to get up over the hump. There we go. Oh boy. Okay. And yep, I can feel it sliding on my way down. I'm just on the brake. Did you see that? That's why. I have a tendency to come across. That's why I wanted that other ramp. You can see my bike is just coming out that other way. Let's see if I can just quick do it again. Line it up. Put her in first. And some speed. Go a little faster this time. Up and in. Okay. Now we'll get you down once more. Show one more view. Where are we? There we are. On, yeah. I swear coming down is just as scary as going up. And I think I would have gone across again. I don't know, I can't help but do that. thing I bought in anticipation of this track day is this Baxley wheel sport chalk, and it's super slick. The reason I bought it, though, this is the track day organization I'm riding with says that I cannot have a kickstand on here, or it needs to be tied up. So essentially I won't have a kickstand. Again, I'm going to be doing this by myself, and while I've become pretty proficient at throwing a bike on the rear stand, especially because I've been using the Harbor Freight one size fits all, and this Pitbull one's way easier than that. I fully expect that my brain is going to be on fire after I've been on the track wearing full leathers and all that other kind of stuff, that if I need to pull up next to this thing, get off the bike, balance it, pick this thing up, set it, I'm going to tip this thing over. I just know it. So again, $200 insurance policy was this wheel chalk. Why it's related to this, I'm not sure if I'm actually going to be able to use it in the truck. I want to put the bike in there, see how much room there is, because when you put it on this chalk, so it'll kind of drive, am I there? Kind of drive right in. Okay, so that I feel comfortable I'll be able to do. Now the bike's just there, so I'd be able to hop off afterwards. I don't know though, when it's in the truck, if I'll have enough space to pull it back. So however long this is, plus how far I need to get it out without going off the edge of the truck. So when it comes out like that, will I have had enough space to be able to do it? So I'm gonna get some heat in the bike and fucking try to put it up in there. This might be a lot of damage coming. I hope not. I gotta learn at some point. Well, this is gonna be hard because it's definitely got a different clutch feel than the TW did. Stuck at the end there, like I was worried about. Whew. So that was a lot of building up some of the revs so that the clutch was holding it up, and then letting off the brake at the same time. I was worried that was going to happen. Yep, we're lined up. I think I'm over the hump now. I ain't got this real close to me. Oh boy. Jesus Christ. I brought that way too close on the inside to me. Whew. Holy shit. Second ramp. Well, I guess third ramp. It's 100% the right idea. I'm gonna try to do it one more time. Oh my God, I'm winded. I think a lot of that is just anxiety. Whew. I think he just gave me some encouragement, or he told me to shut the fuck up. I don't know which one. That was without a doubt way harder than the TW. I am mentally and physically exhausted. I am going to try this one more time. I will tempt fate one more time. Yes, I just had to give it a gas. Once I got that initial ramp up, it just needed gas. That worked a lot better. That worked much better. There's one last thing. So giving it gas, I got it up the ramp just a little bit. Then I gave it some gas. And then we got right up. Not having the balls to go through is what was stumping me. And this journey, it ends with a bush light. Thanks for watching.